Hello, good morning, student. In previous class, I have explained the summary of everything I need to know I learned in the forest by Vandana Shiva. But today, I am going to discuss with you one mark questions and answers of this lesson. I have given more 40 questions. I have given here 40 questions, and these are very important according to exam point of view. It is very important and you should prepare very well this chapter. Already I have been told you people this lesson is very important, and this from this lessons will come more than 11 marks, more 11 marks, not more than 11 marks. 1 marks 1, 4 marks 1, 6 marks question 1. Okay, so that's what I'm telling, it is very important. And whatever I'm going to discuss, that is 1 marks questions, I think the whole summary will come in that. I think whole summary like that I have given a 1 marks questions and answers here. Okay, the first question is where did Vandana Shiva's ecological journey start? Where did Vandana Shiva's ecological journey start? Where? It's very in the Himalayan forest. Okay. Question number 2. What was Vandana Shiva's father? What was Vandana Shiva's father? A forest conservator. A forest conservator. Her father, Vandana Shiva's father, was a forest conservator. Question number 3. Where did Vandana Shiva learn about ecology from? The same question in the Himalaya, from the Himalaya forest. Okay, like that you have to each one point, it became a 4 marks questions or else 6 marks questions. If you have just these points, if you added and write for a descriptive answer, that will become a 4 or 6 marks questions. Question number 4. Where did Vandana Shiva's mother compose songs and poems about trees and forest? About trees and forest. See, Vandana Shiva's mother composed songs and poems about trees and forest. Question number, what are the effects of logging? The answer is landslides, floods, scarcity of water, fodder and fuel. So these are the things are affect to the rural women. Okay. Question number 6. What did Vandana Shiva learn from Chipko? What did Vandana Shiva learn from Chipko? What did Vandana Shiva learn from Chipko? About biodiversity and biodiversity based living economics. Okay, she learned from Chipko what biodiversity and biodiversity based on living economics. Where was the Navadanya started? Where was the Navadanya started? Navadanya was started in Dunes Valley, Himalaya region, or else a lower elements of Himalaya in Himalaya or Dunes Valley or Dunes Valley of Uttarakhand. You may write like this also. Okay, next. When did Navadanya form start? In 1994. That Navadanya starts. Navadanya form starts from which year? 1994. What prompted UN to initiated discussions on the rights of nature? UN means United Nations. The constitutions of Ecuador. The Ecuador country is the first time they have given rights of nature in its constitutions. That's why they have been discussed about Ecuador country in United States. What event in the history marked the beginning of separatism, human beings from nature? Separatism, apartheid. Okay, the industrial revolutions. What event in the history of marked the beginning of separateness of human being from nature? The industrial revolution. Okay. By whom was the Earth University inspired? Very easy. Rabindranath Tagore. That's question number 12. What was the forest teach according to Vandana Shiva? Enoughness, principles of equality. Principles of equality. Enoughness, principles of equality. The forest teaches us according to Vandana Shiva. But we people are apartheized from the nature. Who wrote the book of monoculture of the mind? Yesterday I have been told you who wrote the book of monocultures of the mind. Dr. Vandana Shiva. No, she is only. Dr. Vandana Shiva. She is Vandana Shiva. Okay. Question number 14. What is Chipko movement according to Vandana Shiva? A non-violent response to the large-scale deforestations that was taking place in the Himalaya forest. Chipko movement means a non-violent response. If you write this much is okay, not necessary. Just I have given the bigger answer. Okay. Name the woman who led resistance against felling trees in the village of Advani. Name the woman. Who is Bachni Devi. She is the woman to fight against her husband as well as forest officials. Question number 16. What was replaced biodiversity according to Vandana Shiva? What was replaced biodiversity according to Vandana Shiva? Monoculture. Question number 17. What according to Vandana Shiva did the dramatic actions of Chipko take place in Advani village of Garhwal region in 1977? In 1977. Okay. What is real value of forest according to rural women? Springs, streams, fodder and fuel. These are the real value of the forest according to rural women. Name any one of the activities that Vandana Shiva undertook after her involvement with Chipko movement. Name any one of the activists. Participating in the Padayatra, documenting the deforestations and works of the forest activities and spreading the message of Chipko movement. She did while doing Chipko movement. How does the scarcity of water, fodder and fuel affected rural women? They have to walk longer with heavier burden. They have to walk longer with heavier burden. What according to Vandana Shiva does Earth University teach? Earth democracy. What according to Vandana Shiva does Earth University teach? Earth democracy. Where is Earth University located? At Navadanya Farm. Mention any one of the things that replaced a vibrant earth according to Vandana Shiva. According to Vandana Shiva. raw materials and dead matters. Raw materials and dead matters, to become a vibrant earth. According to Vandana Shiva, what has replaced Terra Madre? Terra Nullius. What does Terra Madre mean? Mother Earth. What is the Navadhanya movement according to Vandana Shiva? It is a movement for biodiversity, conservation and organic farming. Name the country which has recognized the rights of nature in its constitutions. I have been told yesterday I have been told you, which country? Ecuador. That is the country, the first time they are given the rights of nature in its constitution, in their constitutions. According to Cormac Cullinan, as in eco-apartheid. What according to Cormac Cullinan as in eco-apartheid? Eco-apartheid means separateness of human from nature in our minds and lives. Separateness of human from nature in our minds and lives. Name the country which initiated the university declarations of the rights of Mother Earth. Name the country which initiated the university declarations of the rights of Mother Earth. Bolivia. That is the country given the university declarations of rights of Mother Earth. Name any one of the popular courses run at Navadanya Farm. Name any one of the popular courses run at Navadanya Farm. A to Z of organic farming, agroecology and Gandhi and globalizations. You may write one. I have given three. You may write one in exam. A to Z of organic farming or agroecology and Gandhi and globalizations. These three courses are having in that farm. The real value of forest for women was. The real value of forest for women was springs and streams. Springs and streams. That is the real value of forest for women was. The conservations of biodiversity in the agricultural leads to. The conservations of biodiversity in the agriculture leads to more quality food and higher nutrition. More quality food and nutritions, higher nutritions. For who are crisis for nutritious food, for them they have solved by this yielding. What surprised Vandana Shiva when she went to swim in her favorite place? What surprised Vandana Shiva when she went to swim in her favorite place? The stream was reduced to a trickle. Trickle means a drop by drop water. That much reduced due to that deforestations. So keep in the mind. You should grow forest. One thing I will tell you later. I will tell you that on the name of your birthday, you should give a birth of one tree. Give a birth of one tree. Give a birth of one tree means you have to, on the name of your birthday, just give a tree. to the society. Mention any one of the things that the forest bears according to Vandana Shiva. Mention any one of the things that the forest bears according to Vandana Shiva. Soil, water, air. These are the very much important to bear us a healthy life. What according to Vandana Shiva does Earth University teach? What according to Vandana Shiva does Earth University teach? Earth democracy, second time, double it happens. That is, sorry for that. Diversity without unity becomes the source of. Whose quotation is that? Rabindranath Tagore's. Okay, diversity without unity becomes the source of conflict and contest. Conflict and contest. Question number 37. Unity without diversity becomes the ground for. Unity without diversity becomes the ground for external control. External control. That is the very important. What according to Rabindranath Tagore has fueled the culture of Indian society? What according to Rabindranath Tagore has fueled the culture of Indian society? The culture of the forest. The culture of the forest. That is our culture, fueled culture. Earlier rural women, especially for that, they are bringing a fodder from the forest place and putting in the hearth, means cooking the food. What according to Rabindranath has helped the intellectual evaluations of man? What according to Rabindranath has helped the intellectual evaluations of man? The peace of the forest. The peace of the forest. The end of consumerism and accumulations is the beginning of the joy of living. The joy of living. So these many questions are given to you. I think these are the questions, 1 mark questions are enough to you, and see whole summary comes. If you just added each points out of 40 points, then that will become a descriptive answer for 4 mark as well as 6 marks questions. Summary you have to read, and then 1 mark questions. Then you become a perfect. In next class I am going to send 4 marks as well as 6 marks in there. So like that I am going to sending. I think you have understood. Suppose wherever if you couldn't understand, you would ask me. Okay, you would ask me and make clarify. I think this chapter is very very important, and also I will tell you this is very much help to us in nowadays. Why means due to that deforestations, we peoples are much more affecting. Much more affecting. So anything else by air, water, rain, anything else. So you should, what I am telling that, what I am requesting to you all, that on your birthday, on that day you should give one tree to the society. You should give one tree on the name of your birth. Just if each and everyone is doing like that, then see our India, how much it become a greenery, how much is become a healthy pollution, healthy air, not pollution. Never become pollutions. We never become a ill health, because due to that pollutions we people are become a unhealthy, means causing any kinds of effect. Okay, so that's what I'm telling. What you do on the name of your birth, you should put give a tree. Okay, thank you. Suppose if you are having any doubt, you may ask in the when I am coming to join online class, or else by call by phone and make clarification. Thank you, Vanda and all. Okay.